Hello, my name is Scott Britton. I'm the president and CEO of MyIntelliSource Incorporated. This is part 6 of our 7-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask iOS. In this section, I will demonstrate creating a task. Creating projects and jobs is nearly identical, so I'll leave that up to you as an exercise. If you prefer to read this, I will post a URL at the end of this video that you may download a PDF version of the guide. So let's get started. Tasks are the main base building block of the project, job, and task system of MyIntelliTask. Tasks are where resources are stored or entered. So on my iPhone, I will click the More tab bar button again and click Task in the More navigation screen. This brings up the Task menu screen. This time I will choose Dashboard instead of Template. Next, the task dashboard is presented with 4 options. We will click on the Enter New Task button. Next, we will be given the option to copy a template to our new task. I will select the template I created previously. Building a task resource is similar to building a task template, with the exception it is part of a work plan, while the template is just that, a base to copy redundant information to task resources. As I scroll down the screen, I stop at Add a Job. If we had any jobs already entered into the system, then we could attach this task as part of that job. In MyIntelliTask, you can build from the top down or bottom up. If I scroll down a little further, if you wanted to, while building a work plan, you can attach file resources to be shared among team members, users with category permission, and the super user. We will skip that at the moment, but you can add file resources to the MyIntelliSource cloud that is encrypted for file sharing among team members. Scrolling to the end of the screen, you can see it is optional to include teams on the front end to allow you to build your work plan first, then assign teams. Scrolling back up, for this example, I'm only going to change the name of the task resource and click Save because the task template has filled in the required information. We are forwarded back to the task template copy selection screen where we can create another task if we wanted to. Instead, we will click the back button 3 times and head out to the More navigation screen and click on Jobs. Then we click on the Jobs dashboard. We are going to click the Enter New Job button. We don't have any job templates entered, so we'll click Skip. As I scroll down, you see entering a job is almost identical to a task with one exception. If I scroll back up, you can see that you can add tasks to the job and the job to a project. The second difference is that you cannot store file resources in jobs or projects. This is reserved for tasks because everything in the MyIntelliTask system builds from task resources. While I'm going to leave looking at projects as an exercise for you to complete, projects are nearly identical to jobs with the exception that you add jobs to projects. In MyIntelliTask, projects are the top resource of the 3, followed by jobs, then by tasks. That ends part 6 of our 7-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask iOS. In the next section, we will talk about managing resources. Thank you for watching part 6 of our series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliTask iOS. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions how we can improve our software, please email me at the address listed at the end of the video. I truly appreciate you giving me the time to demonstrate MyIntelliTask. Take care and have a great day.